Duncan Layton, he's on our church committee. He's the liaison between the church and the scout troop. He has two boys who are Eagle Scouts. One of them just earned his Eagle Scouts and his Eagle Award, and I was part of the ceremony. So Duncan, come on up here.
A scout's journey to Eagle starts with the rank of scout, and there the scout learns the most important parts of being a scout, and that is the scout oath, law, motto, slogan, and what it means to be a scout. At this time, I'd like to ask the patrol leaders who've got scout earning.
David Fu, Jonathan Yang. Is there a Jonathan Yang? Yeah, Jonathan Yang. There's so many Jonathans. Okay, Isaac Yang, Adrian Yang. Gee, the Yangs are going to take over from the Bangs. Joshua Yang, Ying Chi Tao, and Jay Vang.
And for tenderfoot, you have to do learn a lot of kind of basic scouting, first aid, a little cooking, camp out, safe hiking, and do some physical fitness things, push-ups, pull-ups, stuff like that. And these guys have earned the tenderfoot award, T2. Canoe 2, Amar, Skylar Chang, and HF. Okay.
Second class. The rank requirement is you have to know map and compass, and you have to go on a hike. 20-mile hike or 10-mile hike, when I call your name, please come up. Heading chain, Michael Tao, Yang Huo Lo, Jet Vang, Bailey Vang, Mo Yang, Elijah Chang, and Andy Vang.
First class, these guys are a little more advanced. They got to organize a meal for the camp out. Got to do more advanced knots, and they have to more like advanced first aid and stuff like that. These guys are Johnston, Sane, and Michael Tao.
This is what the badge looks like. The Boy Scout looks like a heart. This is the last rank before Eagle. Now what happens with a lot of scouts, they keep Life Scout, but they don't quite make it to Eagle. And a couple things get in the way. Girls, sports, and just too busy. So if you have a Life Scout in your family, remember what those are, and make sure that he overcomes that. Congratulations.
To adjourn this part, I just want to introduce a couple of not parents but sponsors, and that's Diane Garvey and her husband, Tanu and T. Okay. So this will be a short ceremony, but very important, very impressive, up in the chapel, which is upstairs. And I'm going to ask the parents and friends to go up there and sit toward the back. And scouts.
Host the colors. Hey guys, just trying to sit right there too. Like you guys can sit right there too.
Hả?
It's all my own time.
Kuma huwag ka
Hey, let me go back.
Welcome to the Troop 100 Eagle Scout Court of Honor. This is Chris Vang, our candidate. Paul Tao, Troop 100 Eagle, number 111, who's going to offer a few words. Paul?
My name is Paul Tao, Eagle Scout Correction number 112. It'd be nice to be 111 though. But I don't have much to say, but first, congratulations Chris on getting Eagle. I'd like to start off with a little bit about me. When I first joined Troop 100, I just turned 11. And I was a shy kid at first, but I realized that I already knew more people than I already know. I had like tons of cousins in this troop already, like Kong Chang, Joe, and Jerry and them. And it just made me feel like I was at home already. And then so I joined with my cousin, Tumo Tao, who is number 111, and he couldn't be here today. We always joked about who joined first because, and it was me because I walked through the doors before him, and it was our little joke back then. And so I still remember what it felt like having everyone come up to me and greet me the same way everybody would greet the new kids. They'd say hi, make you feel welcomed, and it's a good feeling, you know, it makes you feel right at home. I know ranking up in the troop seems like it is the toughest thing on earth because you got that peer pressure, like, oh, am I gonna pass tonight or no? But it's just all about being brave. And if you are brave, that means you are willing to take the next step that no one else is willing to take and be the leader who you are. You got to believe in yourself also. That's the one thing. And I understand the chills of hearing the words board of review because that is all when the scouts either choose to do a Scoutmaster conference because they know that they are ready to rank up or work on the next rank that they need. Or do merit badges that are required for Eagle or the ones that aren't. And it's really up to the scouts. That's on them if they want to do merit badges, rank up, or anything. That's if they want to become one day, which they should, and I strongly encourage you guys to be Eagle Scouts one day. And I personally think that being an Eagle Scout is more than what people say it is. It's not about saying I'm an Eagle now, I have more privilege to do more things that other people can do. And it's about taking what you have learned while a Scout and passing it down to the rest of the Scouts who in your troop, other Scouts in your troop, so that one day they will become Eagle Scouts just like you. And now what it means to be an Eagle, I wouldn't know what to say about this, but if I was asked personally, I would say it means to become the leader everyone needs. Teaching younger Scouts to be leaders at their age and making sure that they know they have a job to do or they have goals. That is to become an Eagle one day and teach another generation of Scouts of what they've learned while in the troop. And that is to become an Eagle. I like being an Eagle Scout because it reminds me of all the hard work I have done in the troop. And it is a key to remind you of who you are and what you are. So I hope that whatever I said in my speech makes sense and that you picked out some words to keep to yourselves. Remember to be trustworthy to one another, loyal to your peers, and especially brave to yourself. Thank you. Congrats, Chris, and welcome to the Brotherhood of Eagles. All right, thank you guys.
And now I'm going to ask the color guard to come, take the colors, and stand beside. Good. Okay. And now, Chris, are you ready to take the Eagle Scout oath?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to stand. Take the Scout sign and repeat after me. I reaffirm my allegiance
I reaffirm my allegiance
to the three promises of the Scout oath.
to the three promises of the Scout Oath.
I thoughtfully recognize
I thoughtfully recognize
and take upon myself
and take upon myself
the obligations and responsibilities
the obligations of responsibility
of the rank of Eagle Scout.
of the rank of Eagle Scout.
On my honor,
On my honor,
I will do my best
I will do my best
to make my training,
to make my training,
example,
example,
rank, and influence
rank, and influence
strongly count for better scouting
strongly confidently for better scouting
in my troop,
in my troop,
in my community,
in my community,
and in my contacts with other boys and other people.
and my contacts for boys and other people.
Always.
Always.
Ready to. And in this court of honor, by the National Court of Honor of the Boy Scouts of America, I pronounce you an Eagle Scout. May you always serve faithfully as such. And now I'm going to ask your brother, Gary, who is also an Eagle Scout. I forget what number, 109, to go and take the Scout badge and pin it onto your younger brother.